Hello everyone, this is the third and last in the module video for SEDAP. So we have many to come, but this is like module 1 is completing here. Now what exactly you did up to this point, like you checked the data from the file, you validated it. Now you have two types of rows. Okay, so if this is the original row and it has any errors into it, you are going to create a error message row like this and have an error message in front of it. Okay, and put that message into SEDAP manual analysis queue. Good with that? So this is your task number 4 completed. Now you're going to do task number 5. So now you have entire valid data in your list. So valid data has to be inserted, okay, into the database. So you can actually grab your SQL, basically a complete schema from sedap.sql at GitHub location. So please go ahead and grab that. Now this will actually look like this. There is a customer table which has one-to-many relationship with customer watch time. So when you have customer, so customer has one-to-many relationship with customer watch time table. If the customer ID is not provided in the input file, then it will be created with auto increment primary key customer ID. Okay, so if you are not getting customer ID in a file, then it should get created here. If customer ID is provided in the file, use the same for insertion. If the data is already present for customer, update the customer record with new data present in the file. So if you have customer 101 and if the data in the new file is also there, then go ahead and update the customer with whatever latest data is. Okay. Okay, and last thing is customer watch time table will have many entries for a single customer. Obviously, because this is like what customer watched, which channel, when, okay, and at what date. So this is what, and every single file have a particular date to it. So every day we'll have one file, so date will be constant, okay, for all the files. Start time and end time gonna be mentioned in the file anyway. So now you're gonna create this insert row. Now it totally depends on you whether you want to go for batch inserts or normal inserts. That's completely your choice, but make sure that if you fail in between, suppose you have 100 rows and you are at row number 15 and you got an error, then you should not reinsert data from 1 to 15. So this is something which is needed. Now either you can choose for creating a brand new file out of it. Okay, there are a number of ways to do this particular scenario, so I'll keep it on you. How your imagination works or programming works, that's completely up to you. There is no right solution to it. Okay, so just make sure that data should not be repeated in case of any exception. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, there is an additional requirement, that is if you can send an email to yourself once the batch completes with the help of Java mailing API, please try that. If you face any issues, there are sample codes available, but then I want you to try first. Good with that, and if you face any issues, please go ahead and type in the comments and I'll help you there. So thanks a lot everyone. Have a good one.